So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the keyboard shortcut and how you can get any type of keyboard shortcut like the Premiere Pro or the Final Cut Pro in your DaVinci Resolve. Now in order to get that, just simply click on this option of DaVinci Resolve on the top left corner, and here you'll see this option that says keyboard customization, or there's a shortcut for that as well that says Control plus Alt plus K. So just simply click over there and here you see the keyboard layout, and from here you can see different commands that has been for now setted. For the DaVinci Resolve, you can easily manually toggle it as per your convenience, or you can just simply use when you click on this option of DaVinci Resolve, just right next to it you'll see this option that says the Premiere Pro, Apple Final Cut Pro, or you can use any editing software keyboard layout directly in the DaVinci. So that will going to be save you a lot of time when you're shifting from any other editing software.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.